Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start now, open Call of Duty Mobile and go straight to the relevant events or Battle Pass screen to confirm the active construct reward. Do this because construct rewards often expire. Collecting early prevents loss. Once you've confirmed the event, claim daily login rewards, fragments, and unspent crafting currency. Make sure inventory has free slots and verify any required blueprints or materials. You're combining prerequisites so subsequent steps run smoothly, and you don't waste time chasing missing items. Now you build, open the construct or crafting menu and apply blueprint fragments with the necessary tokens. The game requires certain ratios, so match them exactly. While assembling, play the specific match types or complete the challenges that directly award construct progress. This is why you didn't waste time earlier. Use event boosts or double XP when available to farm components faster, and focus sessions on the fastest game modes. Transition between farming and crafting until the construct reaches completion, keeping an eye on finish by completing the final assembly step and pressing claim. Make sure to equip the constructed item so it registers in your loadout. If claiming fails, first check server status and your inventory limits. Full inventories often block deliveries, then retry. If it still fails, log out and back in and verify you're on the same account. As a last resort, contact support with your transaction ID and timestamps. They can restore missing items. This troubleshooting saves time and recovers rewards when things go wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.